Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Nissan Almera, a subcompact sedan that's turning heads with its blend of style, performance, and advanced technology. 2025 Almera Sport boasts a dynamic exterior design. The gloss black front grille and 16-inch alloy wheels give it a sporty edge, while the rear trunk spoiler and body kit upgrades enhance its aerodynamic profile. The two-tone body color option adds a touch of sophistication, making it a true standout on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a modern and comfortable cabin. The 8-inch advanced display audio system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeps you connected on the go. Leather seats with sport embroidery, along with sport pedals and scuff plates, add to the premium feel. Automatic climate control ensures a pleasant driving experience, no matter the weather. Under the hood, the Almera is powered by a 1.0-liter turbocharged inline 3-cylinder engine, delivering 100 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute and 152 Nm of torque between 2,400 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. Paired with an X-Tronic CVT featuring D-step logic and sport mode, it offers a responsive and efficient drive. With a fuel economy of 18.4 km/L, you can expect a range of up to 650 km on a single tank. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Almera. Equipped with Nissan Intelligent Mobility features, it includes intelligent forward collision warning with intelligent forward emergency braking, intelligent around view monitor with moving object detection, blind spot warning, and rear cross traffic alert. These advanced systems provide peace of mind, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway. The 2025 Nissan Almera is available in several variants to suit different preferences and budgets. In the Philippines, pricing starts from A+845,000 for the base variant L turbo mount and goes up to A+1,195,000 for the top spec variant. This competitive pricing makes the Almera an attractive option for those seeking value without compromising on features. The 2025 Nissan Almera combines stylish design, efficient performance, and advanced safety features, making it a compelling choice in the subcompact sedan segment. If you're in the market for a new car, the Almera is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. See you in the next video.